This is chicken thigh 1 minute on iron pan. Pale, just starting to sizzle. Inside, completely raw and cold. Way too early. 2 minutes. Light golden spots. Inside, still raw and pink. Not ready yet. 4 minutes. Golden brown, skin starting to crisp. Inside, juicy but still pink near the bone. Almost. 6 minutes. Deep golden crispy skin. Inside, mostly cooked. Looks good but needs more time. 8 minutes. Dark golden brown, fully crispy. Inside, cooked through, hot and juicy.